Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Module 3. This is your second and final module of week 2 of eSchool. Real quick, today you're going to be doing a full professional paragraph in Edulastic for your mastery check. So I just want to explain a couple things you have to help you real quick. First, right here in the Do Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions about professional paragraphs, but there is a link to the professional paragraph handout that has all the answers. That you can use to help you throughout the entire packet and in the mastery check. So make sure you either use your paper copy of your professional paragraph handout or use this link here. Second, throughout today's unit, today's packet, you're going to see some read aloud clouds, and all those are is times when I read aloud the text for you. So if you see that, feel free to use it as you go. All right. Have a great lesson, and I look forward to seeing you guys' great work.